Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll be giving you some tips how you can improve upon your spoken English. You must have heard about the 4 skills which are required in English language. These are L, S, R, W. They go by this sequence: listening, speaking, reading and writing. Now the more you expose yourself to listening tasks, eventually it will lead to improvement in the speaking skills. Yes, the more you listen, the more you'll be able to speak, and the more you read, the better you will be in writing. So for enhancing your speaking skills, please pay attention to the listening skills as well. So today in this video, I will be telling you a real life story which was published in newspaper some days back. So while listening to this story, is that you can pay attention to the new words which you come across, how they are pronounced. If they are unfamiliar words, pay attention to their pronunciation. If they are difficult words, I'll be giving the meaning side by side. So through the story, you will be learning and enhancing your speaking skills. So let's begin this story. The protagonist, real hero of this story is Dravita Singh, also her doctor who treated her, Shailesh Ranade. So let's see. Where there is a will, there is a way. Jahan chah, wahan rah. As a central railway train crossed the short stretch between Sandhurst Road and Masjid stations on Tuesday, 29-year-old Dravita Singh, seated in the ladies' compartment, did not cover her eyes for the first time in 5 years. Instead, balki, she looked out of the window and filmed the tracks. उसने मूवी बनाना शुरू किया रेलवे ट्रैक्स की. This was the location where she had been struck. उसके ऊपर हमला हुआ था by a फटका robber पर्च जो बैठा हुआ था on a railway pole with a stick on February 7, 2018. She had landed on the tracks. वो ट्रैक्स पे गिर गई and was run over और उसके ऊपर दूसरी ट्रेन भी चढ़ गई. Subsequently losing part of her foot and 3 fingers. और बाद में उसे की वजह से काफ़ी चोटें भी आई. From wondering if she would ever walk again and battling suicidal thoughts in her hospital room to running the Mumbai Marathon and working with a leading private bank, Singh has turned her life around. कभी वो सोच रही थी कि वो कभी चल भी पाएगी और कभी कभी उसके मन में कुछ सुइसाइडल विचार भी आए जब वो अपने हॉस्पिटल रूम में थी. अब वहाँ की जर्नी से उसने कहाँ की जर्नी कंप्लीट की है? शी रैन द मुंबई मैराथन एंड नाउ शी इज वर्किंग इन अ लीडिंग प्राइवेट बैंक. सिंह हैज टर्न हर लाइफ अराउंड. इस फ्रेज का मतलब है टू मेक ड्रास्टिक चेंजेस इन वंस वे ऑफ लाइफ टूवर्ड्स सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट. टर्न हर लाइफ अराउंड. देन अ कॉलेज गोअर. उस टाइम वो क्या थी? एक कॉलेज गोअर एंड एम्प्लॉयड पार्ट टाइम एट अ logistics company in South Mumbai. Singh had boarded a Kalyan CSMT local to travel to work on Feb 7, 2018. She was answering a phone call on the footboard of the compartment when a blow made her fall out. अब ये जो फटका रॉबर्स होते हैं ये इसी ताक में रहते हैं कि कब वो झटक के किसी के भी हाथ में जो सामान है उसको गिराए और फिर उसको लेके भाग जाए वहाँ से. तो उस टाइम ये भी एक फ़ोन पे बात कर रही थी और खड़ी थी अपने कंपार्टमेंट के फुटबोर्ड पे जब क्या हुआ उसको अचानक से एक झटका मारा किसी ने और वो गिर गई बाहर. Soon after being wheeled into भाटिया हॉस्पिटल she clutched her doctor's hand and said. अब उसको ले जाया गया भाटिया हॉस्पिटल में तो उसने अपने डॉक्टर का हाथ पकड़ा और बोला do not cut off my leg, it will kill me. She has requested to her doctor. Now plastic surgeon Dr. Shailesh Ranade who attended to her says her words kept ringing in his ears. बस यही वाले वर्ड्स उसके कानों में आवाज़ करते रहे and strengthened his resolve to save her limb. उसने उसके संकल्प को और भी पक्का किया कि उसने उसे उसका पाँव बचाना है. While undergoing multiple surgeries on her leg, she was also fighting feelings of self-doubt. With encouragement from her doctor, she started to practice for the Mumbai Marathon and in under a year since the mugging, जब उसके ऊपर ये हमला हुआ था, डकैती हुई थी, ran the 6-kilometer dream run within 47 minutes. She appeared for her graduation exams with her leg in a bandage and spoke at an international medical conference in Thailand by invitation about the traumatic incident and her recovery. तो उसने इसके बारे में एक लेक्चर दिया है, इस सदमे के बारे में, एंड हाउ शी केम आउट ऑफ दिस ट्रोमैटिक इंसिडेंट, इस सदमे भरे जीवन से वो कैसे बाहर आई. आफ्टर वर्किंग फॉर 2 years at a firm, Singh was selected for a position in a leading private bank in Andheri. She had to start traveling by local trains again. Train journeys don't trigger me anymore. To cause a strong emotional reaction to fear or shock. So it doesn't happen anymore with her. She says she has also taken to dancing. She confidently says, I am not a victim, I am a fighter, and I am having the time of my life right now. It means that I am enjoying myself very much at this phase of my life. So friends, if you have enjoyed this story and learned something out of it, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you again in the next video. Bye for now.